Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll walk out of the Santander Bank account online in 2025, step by step and super easy. Step 1, go to the official Santander Bank website at santanderbank.com. On the homepage, click Banking and then choose Open an Account. Step 2, choose the type of account you want, checking, savings, or a student account. Click Open Now to begin the application process. Step 3, fill out your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, social security number, address, and contact details. Step 4, next, verify your identity. Santander may ask for a government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport. Upload it securely through the portal. Step 5, review the account details, agree to the terms and conditions, and set up your online banking credentials, including a username and password. Step 6, you'll then be asked to fund your account. You can do this by linking another bank account, using a debit card, or choosing to fund it later. Step 7, submit the application. Once it's approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Your debit card and account details will follow by mail or email. Tip, make sure all your information matches your ID to avoid delays. And that's it. You've just opened a Santander Bank account online in 2025, all from your phone or computer. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.